Right, and good morning, everyone. See, team, in the last session, we completed stored procedures concept. We completed, guys. Stored procedures. It is one of the named block program. And also, if you want to store the program in database permanently, the program, you should be writing procedures. Right. And the procedures may or may not return values. Not a compulsory. Some programs no need to require return the value. Simply you can write the procedure only. Or if you want to return the values, then we can return by using out parameter mode. So these things are last sessions, guys, we completed. Now today, so we try to discuss about user-defined functions. User-defined functions. Fine. First of all, what is a function? Function general meaning is function is a self-contained block. Function is a self-contained block, separate program, same like procedure. Radar. Okay. Right. We know that functions are two types now: user-defined, predefined. Predefined means defined by, provided by Oracle. User-defined means we can declare, we can write our own functions. In SQL, we discuss some predefined functions are discussed: min, max, sum, average, to char, to date, absolute, LPAD, RPAD. All are predefined, defined by Oracle database. Just we are executing and return the values. Okay, right. Now we can write our own functions also. We can write in PLS script block. Now here that is called user defined functions. So according to the end user requirement or client requirement, developer write with his own function name and own logic is called as user defined functions. So user defined functions are defined by user. Next one, function is a self-contained block. Self-contained block. Function is a self-contained block. Next one, user-defined functions. Functions should be written a value. Compulsory should be written a value, but procedures not a compulsory. But once you write the function program, you should be written the value. That is, functions should be written a value. That is. Next one, user-defined functions supports parameters and parameter modes. Both are supported. While calling the functions, you can pass parameters. Based on the parameters, functions are calling. Parameter modes also supported. Modes means we know in, out, in, out. Those are the parameter modes. You know that is. In now to no. Right. Next one. Same. User defined functions main advantages are first one is modularity. Second one is reusability. Third one is improves the performance. These are the three methods. So modularity, reusability improves the performance. These are we know these things we know already in procedures also we discuss. Right? Right there. Next one. All created those different functions are stored in. Those different function names are stored in user underscore objects. Those underscore hosted. Functional bodies means logic of the program. That is right. Next one. Function syntax. Create or replace function name, function name, argument one, mode, data type, argument two, mode, data type, and so on. That is right. Argument one, mode data type, argument two, mode data type, and so on. Return data type, guys. Return data type. Return data type is we write down. So then variable declaration. Okay. Begin. executable statements, exception block, executable statements, and function name. This is the complete syntax of use depend function, guys. So create a replace function, function name, guys. And these are arguments. While calling this function, you can pass arguments. Return data type means after evaluated the total logic of your function, after executed total logic of your program, finally the function returns something value. What the function returns the value? The return data type here. Means finally the function returns number value. We should be declare number. Finally function returns character value. You should be write varchar2. That is. Okay. So this database belongs to after executed function. Now finally what the function returns the value, the returning value data type here you declare, that is called return data type is variable declaration begin. Executable statements is the exception block. Exception block means exception block means if you try to write any except handling program, then it is required. And the function name, that is. Right, guys. So in this syntax now, arguments are optional. Variable declaration is optional. The exception block is optional. And the function name is optional. These are. Okay. Fine. This is. Okay. All right. Example program. Write a user defined function. Write a user defined function to find simple interest. Actually, there is no function in Oracle to find the simple interest. Now we try to write. So the formula is P by 100. Principal time or rate of interest. Principal time or rate of interest. That is called PTR. Principal time or rate of interest. Now create or replace function. Function name is SI is the function name. Okay, create or replace function, function name, principal, number, time, number, rate of interest, number. Return number, guys, is we write down. Begin, simple we write down. First basic logic. Simple interest equal to number I declare. SI equal to P star T star R by 100. P divided by 100, and the return. So where is that output, guys? Where is output? Where is output, guys? Output is in SI variable. Nah? That SI here I am returning. And SI slash. Or else you try to write a simple interest. Simple interest. That is, guys. That is okay. Right, guys. Simple interest. Right. Now, right, guys. So now, copy and paste here. Yes, function is created, guys. So while call this function, how many values we are passing? One, two, three values. Return number is SI. Is simple test. Okay. Simple test equal to Peter by 100. Then finally they return the value. Now, guys. So calling function. Calling function. So now on SQL prompt, select SI of 1000 comma 2 comma 10 from real. 1000 means principal amount. 2 means time, 2 months. Rate of interest is 10% rate of interest. Per month 100 rupees. 2 months 200 rupees. Here. Okay. The function name is simple interest. Yeah. 200 it returns. 200 it returns. Right, guys. Next up, method one. Method two. Method two. Variable result number. We know I declare the variable on exclude prompt. This is called global variable, right? Execute column result equal to simple underscore 10. Here, function is calling, guys. Function is calling. What are passing the inputs? The inputs is passed into the corresponding parameters, evaluated, and return the output. Yes. Okay. Print result. This is the result. Okay, guys. This is the example, guys. Okay, guys. Right. Method three. Method three. Declare result declare as number using PLSP block case. Select simple underscore int of 1000 comma 2 comma 10 result from real. Put underscore line. And slash. This is, guys. Here, here we are calling the function. Okay. So here I'm calling the function, guys. Function returns something output, guys. That is copied into result variable. The result here displays. Means actually we have the different methods to call the function, but procedures we have only two methods, guys. But functions we have different methods we have. Okay, na? The third method actually. Method four means based on the logic, based on the program requirement, you can call the function in any method you can call. Result equal to this is result equal to simple test of this one. This is okay. Right, guys. Method four, method five. Method 5. In this method now, variable declaration is not required. Here means indirectly in dbms also we can call the function directly. Simple test equal to this one. This is a method, guys. These are some examples. These are some examples. So right now, so the second one is one more example, guys. We have one more method also is there. We can call the function if condition. Okay, na? We discuss later how it is. Okay. Write a user defined function to input employee number and return corresponding employee. Corresponding employee grade. Not grade. Corresponding employee experience. So now create a replace function means empx of emp dot empno percentage type. Return number is now experience declare as number, then begin. Select months between. Guys, you have any doubt, just ask me. Here, write the program directly. I think everybody know this logic. If you're not understanding now, tell me, guys, I can explain. Into exp from emp, where employee number equal to p underscore employee. That is. What are passing employee number here? Corresponding employee number, date of joining is taking. The months between up to today date, how many months are there? Number of months by 12. That is called number of years. That is copied into exp variable. That is called employee experience. Then return exp. Exception. When no data found, what are passing number is not available. No data found. Return -1. Actually, there is no -1 experience, right? -1 means no data found. Okay. And emp yes. Right. Right. Now, emp underscore exp of I pass $update. That is 9,000 minus. This is guys. This is the example. So the next one is function return varchar data type. Function returns varchar data type. About two functions returns numbers. Okay. So write a user reference function. Write a user reference function to input employee number and return corresponding employee department name. Okay. This is the employee table. This one is the department table. Okay. When I pass employee number 7369, corresponding employee department name, research I want to return. If I pass 7839, I want to return accounting. This is guys. This is the example case. Okay. That is. So we are inputting employee number only guys, but we want to return the corresponding department name. So we write some logic. Cell dname from EMP comma DEPT because I am joining two tables. Because I am inputting employee number, it is available in employee table. The department data is also department table. You can write either join query or subquery also you can write. Subquery means select dname from DEPT where DEPT and y equal to select department number from EMP where employee number equal to suppose 7369. Now here this number we are directly inputting, but in program we try to pass direct. Okay, we can pass the parameter here. Suppose here I am passing 7369. First subquery is executed. 7369 depart number returns. How much? 7369 depart number? 20 returns. So select dname from DEPT where dname depart number equal to 20. 20 department number dname is research. Okay. If I pass 7839, 7839 department number is 10 returns. So for a department table, 10th department name returns. Okay, guys. This logic we did implement. Either you can write subquery or either we can write join also we can write. No issue. Okay. So create or replace function dname, EMP dname of what you're inputting, guys? Employee number, emp.empno %5. Return data type is return data type number. Sorry, varchar is return varchar 2 is you can directly put that subquery return statement directly, guys. No need to write another variable. Okay. Now here, as it here I am placing the employee number right now I am placing. Okay. Here function returns error, I think. In SQL Server directly supported, guys. In SQL Server directly supported. I think one more bracket is missing here because the total query were placed within the brackets. Na? One bracket is missing. I think here also supported. SQL Server database supported. Encountered symbol, select statement, symbol. Okay. Okay. Now dname, dname, percentage 5. Here bdname equal to this is return vdname. Okay. Means SQL Server supported, guys. That type of functions, inline functions we can call actually. Okay. So return value, something error is there. Check it. Function name, return varchar to return DB. Where is that error? Okay. Right, guys. See here. Shall dname into vdname from DAPT where this one. First select statement is executed, guys. The select statement depart name is copied into vdname. Okay. Right, guys. So what the select statement returns? The statement output is copied into vdname. That is okay. Yes, Saurav Kumar. In PLSQL, we have that packages triggers are pending, guys. Packages triggers are pending. Okay. Triggers to packages are pending in PLSQL after completing this. Use the different functions. All right, guys. So now select EMP dname of I am passing set double sound applied from DL research department 7521 sales department 7839 accounting department. Okay. Now Here also you can write exception. When no data, then return employee record not exists. Employee record not exists. Function created. Okay. So 9,000. Employee record not exists. Employee record not exists. Right, guys. So function returns Boolean value. That is important, guys. Create a replace function. Write a user defined function to return the employee record exists or not. I did pass employee number. I want to return employees exist or not, employee record, or employee record found or not. Right. Now, create a replace function. Function name is emp underscore find of p employee number. I am passing emp dot empno percentage type. Return Boolean data type is Boolean means that function returns either true or false. Not a number, not a character. It returns either true or false. So create a replace function. Function name. I declare a flag. I declare Boolean data type. Sir, why are declaring flag, sir? You can declare X also, Y also, Z also, right? Yes, we can, guys. We can declare X, Y, Z also. We can declare, no issue. But thing is, we know the flag accepted true or false, return also true or false only. Okay. Now, why are declaring flag means in real time also they declare flag variables only for Boolean data type. They symbolic variable name, but not a compulsory, but symbolic. Why, sir? Because you know that flag. You know the flag na, in real time. The flag contains how many sides? Two sides only. If you take Indian flag, two sides only, right or wrong? So here also the same, like the variable can accept only two values, either true or false. For that purpose only, for understanding only, they declare flag variable. Okay. So now select I declare on variable CNT. I declare as variable number. Select count of 1 into CNT from EMP, where employee number equal to P underscore employee number. We know this logic. What I pass that employee number? The employee number is not exist. 0 return 0 capital CNT. If it is exist, 1 returning into CNT. The record is exist. The record is exist. Counted as 1, sir. Not exist. 0 returns into CNT. If CNT equal to 1, then yes, found. Return true. Generally, we write down greater than 0. Actually, we write down greater than 0, sir. Because in the sampler table, we have only empty number is not repeated, guys. Right or wrong? Number is not repeated. Unique value. Suppose in this where class, what you are comparing the columns now, the column contains more than one value. Suppose two empty numbers are there with the same name, two empty numbers are there. At the time, count returns 2, guys. 2 is copied into CNT. But once you write equal to 1, then what happens now? Your condition is false. Because your CNT value 2 equal to 1, false. But records are exist. The records are exist. But our program returns false. Means no record found. Is it valid? No. For that purpose, we don't know exactly the count returns how much value if exist. Maybe 1 or 2 or greater than 2 also. That's why if it is greater than 0, suppose returns 1, suppose 1 greater than 0, na? Yes. If the function returns 3 greater than 0, na? Yes. That is. Else 0 returns, then false. And if your function name emp underscore find slash, that is, guys. Okay. See, function created. So function created, guys. This is okay. Right. Function created, guys. So the next one. Now how to call the function? How to call the function? So generally we can call the function select emp underscore find of loves and apply from there. What returns true because record is available. But observe this error. Expression is wrong type. We got error. Expression is wrong type, guys. Why? Why expression is wrong type? Because we are calling the function. Here we are calling the function. Function is evaluated. Yes, record is available. Now CNT greater than 0. Yes, return true. Function returns true because record is available. But where it is returning, the function is returning output to SQL prompt because we are calling this function SQL prompt. We are calling the function on SQL prompt, the function returns output to SQL prompt only. Right or wrong? Because where you are calling, that position only the function returns the value, right or wrong? But is it SQL supported Boolean data type? Is it SQL supported Boolean data type? Boolean data type means true or false. See guys, we created the tables on SQL. Any column or you declare Boolean data type? Any column or you declare Boolean data type? No. Because In Oracle, SQL not supported Boolean data type. Only PL/SQL supported. Only PL/SQL supported. SQL not supported. That's why we got error. But how to call this function? Note. The above function returns output to SQL prompt, but SQL not supported Boolean data type. Above function returns true. SQL prompt, but SQL not supported Boolean data type. So to call above function, in PL/SQL block we can call. See guys, declare. Begin and I declare variable flag. So actually here flag is not usable here, na? Okay, no issue. Here I'm not using flag here. Now I can use flag Boolean data type. Flag equal to emp underscore find of. I am passing employee number here. Suppose here runtime I am passing employee number 7788. Function is calling. Yes, 7788 passed into here. 7788 employee is exist. Now this condition true. The function is true, sir. Directly control come to the where are calling here na? Yes, function is true. The true is copied into flag variable, right? Now what is the flag variable value? True. Suppose when I pass 9000, is it 9000 available here? Not available. Function is false. False is returning into flag variable. Head around. Right. If it is true, if flag equal to true, flag value is true, then dbms underscore output dot put underscore line employee exists. Employee record exists. Else employee record not exists. And if completed, guys, this is the program. Okay, here what happens, guys? Function calling. Here function is calling. Okay. Dawson tablet yes 7369 yes 9000 not exist. Okay. Sir, why are writing this function, sir? Simply we can write one single program also it is completed now. Again, you write the function, sir. Again, calling the function. This lines of code is not required. Yes, exactly. This much of lines are not required, guys. But this is the common. This program is common. Now this function we can call in any PL/SQL module. Suppose you are developing one application. You're developing an application, guys. I try to increment employee salary. Suppose I try to increment particular employee salary. So I input employee number and salary increment amount. First of all, what I can do? I want to search employees exist or not. If it is exist, then I can continue my logic. Not exist means I want to return the value error. At that time, we can call this function. Suppose I did implement one more program. I try to set employee bonus. Again, I try to check it out employees exist or not. Yes. I try to place employee attendance, or I want to calculate employee salary statement. At that time now, if you want to do any transactions by using employee number, first I want to check it out. Is it employees exist or not in the database? If it is exist, then I want to continue a program. Okay, na? Otherwise, I want return error employee invalid employee record or employee record not exist. In this scenario, I am calling this function, guys. See, here I discussed three scenarios. One is to find out to declare employee bonus, to declare employee experience, or to declare employee salary statement to generate. For these programs, first I try to find out employees exist or not. Suppose this program is not written by you. This program is not written by you. Then what happens? The same logic we try to implement in three programs. Same logic we try to implement in employee experience, employee bonus, and employee salary statement. Also the same logic of program we try to implement. Then what happens? The lines of code is increased. Same program, same logic is implemented in three programs, right or wrong? Same logic in three programs. Then what happens now? Then what happens? Decrease the performance. Same logic is repeated, na? So if any common logic is repeated in any programs now, that common logic we can write separate block. That is employee find. Simply I am calling this employee find in those modules. Just I can call. Then what happens? Only one program we can use it in multiple sources, multiple modules, multiple logics. We try to call this EMP find. That is called reusability. Okay, guys. That is the advantage of functions and procedures in generally. Okay, fine. So this is a program, guys. So the same program we can call without declaring this variable as we can call. How it is? See, we discussed already today. The starting we discussed functions are calling using if condition. Functions we can call functions. We can call functions in if condition. See, I am not declaring this one. Okay. See here, emp underscore find of ampersand employee number I write down. Enough, guys. Enough. Completed. Program is completed. Here the function is calling. Here function is calling. So the function is calling, we are inputting employee number, the function returns true. If true, then this is executed. If false, this function is executed. Okay. This is also one more method, guys. Yes, you can call. This is simple logic, guys. Okay. This is the use of Boolean data type. Okay. Right, guys. The coming session, guys, we'll discuss some more examples regarding these functions. After that, you can start remaining concepts like packages and triggers. Okay, guys. Any doubts in today's session, guys? Okay. Do the practice well. Okay.